Hello students, today we will learn section 4 novel. Novel is a literary genre prescribed in your 12th standard new syllabus. Friends, 18th century gifted English literature two forms, the periodical essay and second is novel. They were called periodical essay due to their publication in journals, magazines and not in book forms. Joseph Addison, Samuel Johnson and Oliver Goldsmith are contributors for periodical essay. Periodical essay born in 18th century and also date in 18th century means periodical essay is limited for only 18th century. Second gift of 18th century is novel. Novel caught spirit of people in the 18th century, which is the age of intellectual, sentimental, realistic. Today, it is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. What is novel? A novel is a relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences normally in a prose form. A novel narrates a story, embellishing it with more details of time, place, nature, people and their minds, their gestures and activities. The word novel derives from the Italian word novella, which means a new story or a new things. Definition of novel: a fictitious prose narrative of a book length, typically representing an action with some degree of realism. This definition is given in Oxford Dictionary. Novel represent for entertainment and education. Two main reasons behind the novels are entertainment for people and educate the people. Novel means chain of events. Novel means a book length story written in prose form, printed in bound book, cast of characters, describe imaginary events, place, people. Novel provides reader find relationship between life and art. Novel was very famous in 18th century as a literary genre. There are various reasons behind it. You know, student, that you learn history. In 18th century there was industrial revolution, and because of industrial revolution their trade and commerce were increased. Machinery developed, and machinery provides educated people, provides time to read, and so middle class people turn to reading novel, because in novel novelists describe the life of common peoples, their problems, and so reader relates the life relates the life and art. सर्वसामान्य व्यक्तींचं जीवन कादंबरीमध्ये रेखाटल्यामुळे जो सुशिक्षित मिडल क्लास वर्ग होता तो 18व्या शतकामध्ये वाचनाकडे वळाला. कारण औद्योगिक क्रांतीमुळे यांत्रिकीकरण झालं. यांत्रिकीकरणामुळे जे शिक्षित लोक होते मध्यमवर्गीय त्यांना वाचनासाठी वेळ मिळाला आणि म्हणून ते कादंबरीकडे वळाले. देर आर व्हेरियस novels in 18th century. Novelists like Samuel Richardson wrote Pamela or Virtue Rewarded Clarissa. These are epistolary novels written by Samuel Johnson. Don Quixote, written by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, is called as the first European novel. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji has been described as the world's first novel. There are also writers like John Bunyan wrote the Pilgrim Progress, the Royal Slav wrote the Orinoco, and Gulliver's Travels, written by Jonathan Swift, was the famous satire in 18th century. There are contributions of women novelists in this great pageant cannot be neglected. ज्या स्त्रिया आहे कादंबरीकार त्यांचं कामही आपल्याला दुर्लक्षित करून चालणार नाही. ड्युरिंग द 18th century, women utilized their free time to read and write novels. They explore the world of women, their emotions, identities, experiences and problems. Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre portrayed an independent and assertive girl who protests against hypocrisy and cruelty. John Austen's Pride and Prejudice portrays the lives of women in rural society in early 19th century. Now we see Indian scenario. Indian scenario म्हणजे भारतीय परिस्थिती कादंबरीच्या इतिहासातली भारतामध्ये काय सिच्युएशन होती. Rajmohan's Wife, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, was the first novel in English written by an Indian novelist. Malkraj Anant, R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao were the major trio in Indian novelists. हे ट्रायो आहेत म्हणजे हे तिघे जण आहेत. त्यांनी भारतीय कादंबरीच्या इतिहासामध्ये महत्त्वपूर्ण असं योगदान दिलेलं आहे. अनिता देसाई, नारायण सहगल, अरुण जोशी, अमिताव घोष, विक्रम सेठ, अरुंधती रॉय, किरण देसाई, अरविंद अधिगा, किरण नागरकर. All these novelists contribute in Indian novels era. There are various elements of novel. Before going to discuss various elements of novel, we also know that there are various types of novel. Novels like romance, horror, mystery, satire, comedy, historical science fiction, fantasy are the various types of novel. Now we will learn elements of novel. Theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, language and styles are very important elements in the novel. Theme is the big idea of a novel, a message the author is sending. The author doesn't come right out and say what the theme is. Your job as the reader to find out what the author is saying. The theme of a fable or a novel is moral. It teaches The theme of the novel is the author's view of life and how people behave. Theme is the crux of the matter that the author wants to explain through the events of the novel. It is principal idea of the novel. The entire story of the novel Rio's main idea. There is the example of Charles Dickens' Great Expectation. The novelist want to present is the nothing in comparison with love. Next element of the novel is plot. As outlined by Aristotle, plot is the arrangement of incident. Plot is a story or the foundation of the novel. It is an essential element of a novel. Plot is like a pillar of the building. Typically, plot of every novel consists of exposition, rising action, climax, falling excess, and denouement. These are important elements of plot. The plot is how the author arranges the events to develop his basic idea. It is the sequence of events in a story or a play. The plot is a planned logical series of events having a beginning, middle, and end. 5 essential parts of novel. Introduction. The beginning of the story where the characters and the setting is revealed. Second part is rising action. This is where the events in the story become complicated and the conflict in the story is climax. This is the highest point of interest and the turning point of the story. The reader wonders what will happen next. Will the conflict be resolved or not? Falling action. The events and complications begin to resolve themselves. The reader knows what has happened next and if conflict was resolved or not. Denouement. This is the final outcome or untangling of events in the story. Next, characters. Characterization in a novel. Characterization is an essential element of a novel. It is the craft of creating characters in a novel or drama. The author unveils the personality of the characters through characterization. The story develops through the character. Through the character, we will learn what happens in the story. So, characters are very important elements of the novel. There are various types of characters. Round characters, flat characters. Round characters refers to the character know a lot about. They are usually the main character. Flat characters refer to the character don't know much about. They unusually don't have an impact on the reader. Next type of character, dynamic character and static character. Dynamics means gatisheel and static means sthir. Dynamic character always is a round character, means change in throughout the novel. Static character does not change throughout the novel. Next element of the novel, setting. Setting is yet another compelling elements of the novel. Setting means the location, place of the novel having taken place. It might be one place or it might covers more place. Time, chronological time, the time from beginning to the end of the story. Novel time, the timeline in which events are presented may include flashback, flash forward. Place, location like wood, sea as well as city, country. Objects, buildings, vehicles, clothing. Environment, in environment, weather, light, temperature. Ambience, how do we feel about the setting? Next element of the novel is conflict. Conflict is a literary device characterized by A struggle between two opposing forces, conflict provides crucial tension in any story and is used to drive the narrative forward. Conflict is a struggle between opposing forces within a story which is usually resolved by the end of the story. There are 5 types of conflict. First is person versus self is called as internal conflict. म्हणजे व्यक्तीचा स्वतःशी जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट असतो, संघर्ष असतो विचारांचा, त्याला म्हणायचं इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. पर्सन वर्सेस पर्सन, पर्सन वर्सेस सोसायटी, पर्सन वर्सेस नेचर, पर्सन वर्सेस पेट्स, all these are called external conflict. Every story has multiple conflicts, but there is a main conflict pitting the protagonist against the antagonist. Next important elements of the novel is language and style, is the way in which an author writes and or tells a story. Language and style, when writers use dialect and different way speaking, they are trying to convey how the real person talks. Style, way to tell a story. It may be dialogue, description, narration, interior monologue, association of ideas. Language, it may be syntax, it may be simple syntax or complex syntax. Sentence, it may be short sentence or long sentence. Vocabulary, novelist may be use realistic vocabulary or symbolic vocabulary. We learn about the first part about the history of English novels. Students, in second part of the history of English novel, we will learn about the types of novels. Now, thank you.